The Furnace Room by Nicolas Ardanaz. Fade in. Insert, Montreal, winter 1949. Interior, house, furnace room stairs, night. Gary, 45, careens down the narrow wooden stairs to the furnace room, a poorly lit, cobwebbed, cramped space.
Why do you abuse Tino, my son? He can never keep you far enough.
Interior, house, furnace room, same. Gary finds Tino's stepmother, Carla, 40, on the floor. She clutches a metal box, eyes opened, breathless. Her neck is bloody. Spiders crawl all over her face. Fluffy, an old rat, rests on her chest, dead. Gary opens the furnace door and furiously chucks Fluffy into the fire. Thick flames flare out. Gary grabs the envelopes and jewelry from the metal box and throws them into the furnace. The flames grow larger and cause the wooden coal bin to catch fire. The room becomes a raging inferno. Gary attempts to raise Carla, to no avail. He abandons her, forcibly dashes up the stairs, narrowly escaping. Exterior, street, freezing night, same. Firefighters frantically spray the blazing house with heavy hoses. Across the street, Tino, 12, fixes his incredulous eyes on the roaring flames. Gary consoles Tino's two sisters watching the house turn into ashes. Tino gazes at the smoky, glowing sky. His eyes narrow.
Fluffy, I'm so sorry. I'll miss you, my friend.
Fade out.